We all know that conserving forests is essential to rebalancing the Earth's carbon cycle. But to protect forests globally, we have to address the unique drivers of deforestation in each community. The way people cook may sound like a small problem amid climate change, but since 1 in 3 people globally cook over an open fire, inefficient cooking is responsible for over 1 billion tons of emissions each year, the same as air travel. Ton for ton, emission reductions from clean cooking projects are a relatively low-cost and high-impact climate solution that deliver health, gender, and economic benefits, all while reducing deforestation. That's because over half of all wood harvested globally is used for cooking and heating. Across Kenya, charcoal is the dominant fuel for cooking, especially in rural areas. In urban areas like Nairobi, gas cookers are becoming more popular, but many are priced out and must continue buying small amounts of charcoal for each meal. One of our newest and most innovative project partnerships is with Circle Gas Smart Meters, which distributes stoves at zero upfront cost, and users only have to pay for the gas they use on a mobile pay-as-you-go plan. These innovative smart meters are accelerating access to gas cookers and eliminate the need to burn charcoal, wood, or kerosene inside to cook. The stoves burn cleanly, reducing indoor smoke to zero, and use the same technology and fuel that most Western households use today, which is a big step up the efficiency ladder for cooking. Moving across the globe, the challenge is similar in Central America: deforestation from the unsustainable demand for wood fuel. One of our longest project partnerships is with Ecofiltro, who are based in Guatemala, where the tree cover has decreased over 20% in the last 20 years. The Ecofiltro project focuses primarily on water filters to avoid the need to boil water before drinking, but it has also installed efficient cook stoves to reduce emissions from open fire pits inside the home, like this one. There are not many pieces of technology that can cut a household's emissions in half, but even the most basic efficient cook stove can do so. These eco stoves are installed with a chimney to reduce indoor smoke and burn wood more efficiently to reduce global emissions and local deforestation. Companies looking for the highest social impact from carbon offsetting should have clean cooking projects at the top of their list to deliver climate, health, gender, and economic benefits, all while reducing deforestation. Our commitment to clean cooking projects has once again earned us the award for Best Project Developer of the Year in Public Health by Environmental Finance. We believe that by directing carbon finance to clean cooking projects today, we can address why there is deforestation in the first place and give nature a chance to recover.